What I've done is I have copy pasted a data series. I've purposely left these a little disorganized. We'll go and format them a bit in a moment. But I have the day of my trip. I've got the income that I earned on that day. I have the spending that I did that day. And then I have this other column, difference in savings. What I want to know is, did I make more than I spent, or did I spend more than I made? Did my savings go up, a positive number, or did they go down, a negative number? We've already seen that we can use formulas in spreadsheets. I'm going to press equals. Notice, because there's this income and spending, the suggestion is, hey, why don't you take your income, orange, minus your spending, purple? I'm going to take the suggestion from Google Sheets and just press the enter button. This is what's called a relative cell reference. I can just drag this down, and Google Sheets knows that I'm going to take the formula. Instead of it being H2 minus I2, it's H3 minus I3, H4 minus I4. The fact that they move is what makes them a relative cell reference. I could drag it over, and just so you see what would happen is, because I went to the right, now instead of it being H2 minus I2, it's I2 minus J2. That doesn't really make much sense for our purposes, but just so you see, this is what its capabilities are. What about cleaning up the formatting? Well, let's get to that. One of the quickest and easiest things to do, as I've already mentioned, is we can just take these columns. For instance, we can horizontal align them. We might want to text wrap. I showed you in a previous video how you can change the formatting over to accounting style. Notice that here we don't have any pennies, whereas here we do, and we can round down just by decreasing the decimal places.